Killing it.
Oh my god,
Killing it, dude.
What's up, guys? We're out here in Palmdale, California at LACR MX. We are at Hell Track. The day has finally come. And yeah, we got some of the guys here. Who's here?
We got a lot of the core guys here from Terra Crew, Parsons, Eisenhower's, Jerry Larrymore's old trucks here.
Kevin, Terry, stay on top.
Kevin's here, yeah.
So many nice trucks.
Yeah, a lot. There's a lot of trucks here that I've never seen before too, which is really cool. So
definitely.
Blake's here, yeah. Blake's here. There's Bugs right there. TNT Tyler's here, yeah.
Yeah, it's just gonna be pretty cool. A lot of vehicles that you guys have seen on our episodes are here, and we're really stoked about that. This is our first time at this motocross track. Yeah, we're not gonna lie, it's pretty intimidating.
Some of these lips are like.
It's a moto track.
Yeah, it's just pretty gnarly. They have cut down some of the tops, right? Some of the lips, so that make them more friendly for trucks. But these guys are gonna have a really good time today, and they're also probably gonna have a lot of butt pucker moments. Definitely, which should be really cool.
Some serious butt clenching.
What?
But yeah, guys, straight up, thank you, Rugged Radios, AFR, and KC Highlights for helping us bring this content to you guys. The day is gonna be pretty wild. We're sure it's gonna be action-packed. We're gonna try to squeeze out as much stuff as we can for you guys, but the track's actually gonna go live, as you can see.
Yeah, these guys are all staging right now, so we got the BRORUNNER class going up front. They're gonna kind of test the waters for everybody else, so good luck, guys.
So long, suckers.
So yeah, there's Tyler there. We have Justin, if you guys remember the episode with the Jeep. Jubera's down there. We got Noah Exploders down here. Aaron Bruno in the Tundra.
Dude, so many. This isn't even half of the people, dude. So we have 3 classes. Wannabe Trophy Truck, right, which is just that. Door Slammer Trophy Truck Steel Cab, so that's like Darren and Chris.
1450 classes.
And then we have the BRORUNNER class, which is more like the Leaf Sprung or the V6 Link trucks.
I'm fast as boy. Still fast as boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
And then we have the Buggy Dork class, which is Blake and Mike Rennick. But Mike Rennick's not here, but Blake's gonna be here. And we got some other interesting buggies here too, some VWs. So we gotta send these guys out. They're actually waiting for us right now. So let's do this.
Let's go, let's do this. dude.
He's a maniac.
Killing it.
Oh my god.
Killing it, dude. He's whopping all these fools out here. He doesn't even have coilovers in the front. Bruno's doing good too, dude.